So welcome to ASCO Languages, so which we are running under the umbrella of VMAT Aviation House. Okay, we have a language house basically. So today in French language we have articles. Today the module is for articles. In articles it is very important to understand. Why? Because we have a and the we apply in English language. The same if we are learning language, like you are learning French language, right? So we have the articles a and the. Now in French language I will explain to you what are the articles basically. For example, if I will say in English language, the Ganga, the cloth, the house, my the is common. Okay. If in English language, if I will say a mobile, if will say a house, right? If will say a cloth, my is common. Clear? Now, in French language, it is a bit complicated. We have we have three type of the. See, in English we have one the only. The Ganga, the cloth, the house, and the river. But in French language, it is very important to understand now. In French language, my the we have pen down please. We have three type of the in French language. Pen down please. We have three type of the in French language, and you have to speak after me. We have three type of the in French language, right? Le, L-E, le. Speak up. Le, L-E, le. Le. Second, la, L-A, la.
ठीक है ला
Yes, la.
ले ला
And the third one is le, L-E-S.
LES
Le. Now you have to understand. In French language, we have three type of the: le, la, le. Now speak after me. See, it is not like in English language. We have the is only the man, the woman, the boy, the girl. But in French language, we have
three types of
the. Very good.
la
Le. Very good. Exactement. Le. Because you know what? In French language, my the is based upon my male and female. Speak after me. In French language,
in French language
my the is based upon my feminine means female.
my the
Is based upon feminine means female and masculine means male. हिंदी में बताता हूँ आपको, बहुत सिंपल है कि जो आपका जो द है फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज में वो मेल के साथ अलग द आएगा, फीमेल के साथ अलग द आएगा. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई विल से द लेडी वी गॉट एज दाम,
yes
but my lady is female, so for female we say la. Speak up. We have three type of the basically in French language: la, le. My le we use for male, my la we use for female, and my le we use for plural.
okay
Clear? Just for example, very very easy to understand. I am a boy. Okay. I'm a boy. So for example, if I'm a boy we call as garçon. Speak up. Garçon. Speak up. Garçon. G-A-R C से दई. जो C आएगा ना, we have basically two type of C in French language. One is simple C and one we have a सेदई. सेदई क्या होता है? C. We have a C and we have a उल्टा C उसके नीचे. It is just like a S. C एंड सी के नीचे उल्टा सी डाल दोगे, दैट वी कॉल एज सदई. इसका साउंड क्या आ जाएगा? स.
टू टाइप ऑफ
सी. वन इज सिंपल सी व्हिच वी साउंड एज इन क, जैसे कॉमन से. वी हैव अ सेकंड सी व्हिच इज सी एंड सी के बिल्कुल डाउन वी हैव उल्टा सी.
ठीक है.
इज इट क्लियर टू यू? एग्जैक्ट नो. इस दिस सी भी कॉल्ड है सेदई. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? सेदई. सी ई के ऊपर एग्यू, DILLE. सेदई. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? नाउ बॉय वी कॉल्ड एज गार्सों. स्पीक अप. गार्सों. GARC सेदई ON. गार्सों. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई विल से द बॉय, my the boy if I am a male the, that is le. If I am a female boy, sorry, female girl, for example, anything, that is la, and plural we have les. So we have three type of the in French language. What is that? La, la, and le. Clear?
हाँ, एक चीज जैसे ये हमें कैसे पता लगेगा कि ये वाला से दही वाला सी लग रहा है?
क्योंकि स साउंड है. जैसे आप देखो कॉमन से है.
अच्छा, जहाँ पे ठीक है, ओके.
देखो आप देखो कॉमन से है. कॉमन से, कॉमन से, को सी से शुरू हो रहा है. को
हाँ.
तो दैट इज सी, सिंपल सी.
ओके.
We have a because we have a s sound with sedai. Clear हो रहा है आपको? Sure. अब now we have the boy. The boy is le garçon. Why le garçon? Why? Because my the, if we have a the male, that is le.
Yes.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
If I will say the lady, if I will say the lady, lady we call as dame, D-A-M-E, dame. La dame. C'est clair. C'est clair, madame.
Claire, madame.
Claire? Okay,
Monsieur.
Claire, monsieur. Okay. For example, I will say the girl. The girl. Girl we call as fille. F-I-L-L-E.
F
I-L-L-E. And we pronounce as in fille.
E.
Yes, and we pronounce as in fille. Yes, F-I-L-L-E. The girl we pronounce as in fille. Speak of fille.
Fee.
Ab the girl, that is la fille. Because my girl is female, so if we have a the female, exactement, that is la. So now speak after me. Repte après moi. We have three type of the in French language. Le, la, le. C'est clair.
Claire.
Claire? Now
Yes.
for example, if I will say the car. The car. Basically car is a female in French language.
Okay.
Car is female. So what I will say, la voiture.
La voiture.
C'est clair. Voiture is your car.
Yes.
La voiture. C'est clair.
Claire.
The husband.
The husband. ले.
Le.
ना, only le.
Le.
लिखने में ले है. पर
Le. L-E.
हाँ.
The husband है ना, single single. Le मारी.
Yes.
The parents. बहुत सारे हैं.
Parents है तो
अब
इसमें
plural है.
les लगे.
Very good. Le paro. We have done le paro. C'est clair.
Claire.
Claire. Now you came to know the article in French language. What? Basically, we have the three type of the in French language. Le, la, le. C'est clair.
Claire.
Claire. Now we'll jump on to the pattern of a and, because that's also an article. If I will say I want to buy a shirt, right? I will say an apple, right? So my we have again three type of one we call as a apple. If my is male, because obviously French language में क्या है? In French language my category are based upon male and female. It is not like English. I have to assume if I'm saying a apple, if I'm saying a man, if I'm saying a girl, I have to see my noun. If my noun, that is like girl and boy, is a male and female, I have a different version of a. Is that clear to you? For example, if we have a male, that is un,
U and
speak up, If we have is my male, that is speak up, un, speak up, If my what I would say female, if my is female, that is un, speak up, un, speak up, un.
or un.
Un, exactement. See, I'm telling you one more time. For example, we have two. See,
UN.
very good.
और a female में
Un.
un.
Okay. So now, basically, what we are doing over here is we have
un को लिखेंगे कैसे?
une. Un.
Okay.
Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. So basically, in French language, I'm repeating one more time. We have three type of the, la, la, le. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
We have two a. One is we use for male,
Yes.
and un we use for female. Now, for example, you don't have a quantity. It's very important to understand. I will say some sugar. No quantity. Of some sugar, it can be 1 kg sugar, it can be 2 kg sugar. If I say some pasta, some tea, some girls, some boys, we don't have quantity. The moment you are using some girls, some tea, some sugar, some anything. So whenever you don't have a quantity, some apples, say Claire.
Claire.
So that sum is converted into they, D-E-S. Speak up, they, D-E-S.
मुझे ना ये रिपीट करो मुझे.
I will repeat this thing one more time. D-E-S. D-E, I will explain to you one more time. They. Listen to me very carefully. We have 3 type of the in French.
Yes.
Le, la, le.
Le.
Clear?
It's clear.
Now, we have 2 type of un, un,
Yes.
for male, un for female.
Yes. Clear.
For example, if I will say a boy, un garçon, Claire.
Yes. Claire.
If I will say a girl, une
Yun.
fille,
Fee.
Claire.
Yes. Claire.
But whenever we don't have quantity, some girls, there is no the girl, there is no a girl, we have some boys. That some, if we don't have quantity, some sugar. And whenever we don't have quantity, that is they, D-E-S. Some books, they. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you?
Yes. Clear.
Now repeat after me. We have 3 type of the in French language. Le, la, le.
Le.
We have 3 type of the in le, la, le. We have 2 un for male, un,
Yun for
une, un. Speak up, un.
Yun.
Un for female.
Yes.
And whenever we don't have quantity, I will say some shirts, they chemise. And we don't have quantity.
Yes.
Is that clear to you? Some girls, they fille. Some boy, they garçon. Whenever we don't have we don't have the quantity, like I don't know, some can be 4 and 5 boys. Say Claire.
Claire.
Is that clear to you? Now repeat after me what I said to you. Repeat after me.
4 types of 3 types of the in French language.
Okay.
Okay. Le, la, and le.
Okay.
2 types of C. First is only C, and it means ka. Na? And second type of C.
Sedai.
Sedai.
That is sir.
That is sir.
Very good.
Okay. So female, the girl is fee and the boys is garçon.
Very good.
Okay?
Very good.
And whenever you use boy, a boy
Un
is
garçon.
a garçon, UN.
Very good.
Okay.
UN. Yeah.
And the girl, UNE, un, fee.
Very good. Why? Because
Okay.
there's a female.
And
Very good.
Whenever you use some girls,
Some girls. Whenever
some
we don't
girls
have quantity,
don't have quantity, the some girls, the
they
fee.
Very good. Exactly. Now you came to know.
Yes.
What we'll do is we'll play a game. We'll play a conversation. Today we are in the program of Theatre 1 in French language. You will play a theatre with me. In theatre what you do? You speak, you play a role, there is story making, and you have to start speaking French language. Now, for example, pen down please. For example, you go to the shop. Today we have a role 1. Okay. Now, for example, you go to the shop. Okay. Shop we call as magasin. Speak up, magasin. Magasin. M-A-G-A. Magasin. S-I-N. S-I-N. Magazine नहीं होगा because I-N sound is Speak up. I-N sound is in French language. Now speak after me. Magasin.
M-A.
G-A-S-I-N.
Magazin.
Magazin is shop. Now speak after me. Magazin.
Magazin.
Why magazin? It's not magazine. Because I-N sound
I-N
is
is the
Say Claire.
Clear.
Now we are in the room. Room we call as chambre. Speak up. Chambre.
Chambre.
C-H-A-M-B-R-E. chambre, chambre.
chambre,
Chambre. Speak up, chambre.
chambre.
Chambre we call as room. Why chambre? Because am sound is on. Speak up, am sound is on.
Okay.
Speak up, chambre.
chambre,
I will explain to you a lot of things today. Chambre.
chambre.
Is that clear to you?
इसमें o क्यों आया?
Because
am
am sound is on, an sound is on sound is on. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
So now speak up, chambre.
Chambre.
If I will say the room, la chambre.
Le chambre.
C'est clair.
Clair.
A room, a chambre. C'est clair.
Clair.
Right. If I will say floor, floor we call as sol, S-O-L.
Floor.
Floor first,
Okay.
S-O-L. Sol.
Sol.
Very good. Speak up, sol.
Sol. Floor.
We have roof. We have
नहीं,
roof.
हमने जो ये मेल और फीमेल में तो लगाया, ठीक है, UN और UNE, मतलब उनके अलावा जो ऐसी थिंग्स होती हैं जो वो नहीं होती, उसमें क्या लगाएंगे फिर?
देखो जैसे इफ आई आस्क टू यू वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन मैंने पूछा है. लुधियाना बहुत गंदी शहर है. इन हिंदी, इफ आई एम, बिकॉज आई एम अ हिंदी पर्सन, आई एम, माय नेटिव लैंग्वेज इज हिंदी, राइट? सो इफ आई विल से लुधियाना बहुत गंदी शहर है, आप बोलोगे इसको तो हिंदी नहीं बोलनी थी, लुधियाना बहुत गंदा शहर है. हाउ आई विल कम टू नो कि मुझे लुधियाना गंदी शहर बोलना है, गंदी शहर नहीं बोलना है, गंदा शहर बोलना है. लुधियाना बहुत अच्छी शहर है और लुधियाना बहुत अच्छा शहर है. दिल्ली बहुत अच्छा है शहर, दिल्ली बहुत अच्छी है. हम दिल्ली अच्छी बोलते हैं ना, दिल्ली एक बहुत ही अच्छी सिटी है, दिल्ली बहुत अच्छा सिटी है. लुधियाना के लिए आई एम यूजिंग
वो मेल वाला.
Why? Because that is my language. I know because we cannot apply Hindi, that we learn by heart. हमें पता है इस चीज़ों का. ऐसे ही अब जैसे रूम है, मैं बोलूँ कितना गंदा रूम कर रखा है, बड़े बोलूँ कितनी गंदी रूम कर रखा है.
अच्छा ठीक है, ओके. इट्स मतलब इट्स
This is about the sense, exact more. टफ होता है ये चीजें कि हमें कैसा पता चलेगा, लेकिन जितनी
जैसे टेबल है, टेबल और चेयर में पता लगता है कि टेबल सब मेल वाला यूज होगा और चेयर में फीमेल वाला यूज होगा.
एग्जैक्टली. सो अब जैसे हमारा टेबल है, ल ताबल, टेबल क्या हो गया? द टेबल, ल फीमेल, सॉरी मेल, ल ताबल, TABLE, ल ताबल, ल ताबल, TABLE, टेबल इज माई ताबल. स्पीक अप.
नहीं, आप बिल्कुल लिखने में कैसे लिखेंगे?
TABLE, ताबल.
अच्छा, बोले स्पेलिंग सेम है?
नहीं, उसमें TABEL होता है, इंग्लिश में TABEL होता है टेबल,
नहीं
ऐसी TABLE होता है. ओ दैट्स फाइन. तो ल ताबल, TABLE,
ताबल,
ल ताबल.
अच्छा, वो LE लिखेंगे
क्योंकि टेबल मेरा मेल है.
ताबल.
अब चेयर है, चेयर को बोलते हो शेस. स्पीक अप, शेस, CHAISSE. मैं चेयर को क्या बोलूंगा? शेस, CHAISSE. क्या बोलूंगा चेयर को मैं? शेस. स्पीक अप, शेस. चेयर मेरी फीमेल है, ला शेस, द चेयर.
नहीं, शेस बोलते हैं.
शेस. चेयर इज माई शेस, CHAISSE. So if I will say la chaise, if I will say a chair,
it's a compoundress words, no only.
Yes,
वो सिर्फ है ना?
exactly. So if I will say a chair,
चेयर को यून बोलेंगे ना?
une chaise.
है ना?
Chair. Why? Because my chair is une chaise. C'est clair.
Okay.
Now main to know. See, if we have the table that is la table, and my chair is une chaise. C'est clair. We have a roof over here. Roof is we call as toit. Speak up, toit. TOIT. Roof we called as toit. TOIT. Speak up, toit. 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 If I will say the roof, that is le toit. C'est clair. Clair. If I will say the roof, that is le त्वार. Say Claire.
Claire.
मतलब you came to know if I will say the car, la voiture, le toit. Say Claire.
Claire.
Right. Okay. Now for example, you go to the shop. You go to the shop. Say Claire.
Claire.
Now as I have already explained to you, shop we call as magasin. Shop we called as
Magasin.
Magazin. Speak up. Shop we called as
Magazin.
Magasin. Say Claire.
Claire.
Shop we called as
Magazin.
Speak up. Magazin.
Magazin.
Speak after me. Magazin. Speak up.
Magazin.
अब देखो एक चीज को समझना. Very important to understand. Ale is my verb to go.
Yes.
Ale is my verb to go. अब आप क्या बोलोगे कि आले ALLER आले is a verb to go. अब if I will say I go, you go, he she goes, we go, you go and they go, what will say?
To.
Listen to me, I will explain to you. अब we have done parler verb. Pen down please. We have done parler verb. PARLER. Parler is to speak. Parler is to
ठीक है.
speak. As I explained to you, in French language, we have to remove ER from the end.
Yes.
And what we insert? E, ES, E, ONS, EZ and ENT. Say Claire.
Claire.
Now, if I will say I speak, I is je in French language.
Yes.
So I have to eliminate ER
Hmm.
and I have to insert E, that is je parle. Clear? With you speak, you is my tu, you is my
To.
tu parle with ES. Clear? He she speaks, il parle
Parle.
with E. Nous parlons, vous parlez,
Il parle.
ENT. Say Claire. Now, if we talk about ale verb, ale is to go.
Yes.
Ale is my ear ending verb.
Yes.
I have to eliminate ER, but we will not apply the formula of E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT in ale verb. Very important to understand. Ale is my exceptional verb. देखो कुछ ऐसी वर्ब्स होंगी फ्रेंच में आपको wherein we have a formula. For example, we have a adore verb. Adore is to love. So what you will do? You have to eliminate ER. You have to remove ER and you have to apply the formula of E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. Say Claire.
Claire.
But my ale verb is a different verb. Now pen down please. My ale verb is a different verb. Ale verb is an irregular verb, or you can say it's a different verb. Ale verb is a different verb. Very important to understand. See, ale verb, I understand when I was studying French language, I also faced a difficulties because this is a new language for you, right? But yes, we have to understand ale, ALLER. Ale is a verb to go. As a rule, we have to eliminate ER. Claire, remove ER. And now we left with ALLE. Sorry, we left with ALL. Say Claire.
Clear.
But as I explained to you, we will not apply the formula of E, ES, E with ale verb. If I will say I go, that is je vais. Je, pen down please. Je is I, vais, VAIS. Je vais, VAIS. Je vais is to I go. Now you will say why? This is a verb ale and conjugation is entirely different. Say Claire.
Claire.
If you will say my verb is ale, but my conjugation is entirely different. What is the reason behind this? There is no reason. Why? Because they have this is their language. So we have to learn by heart. Speak up, je vais.
Joey.
Je vais is to I go. Speak up, je vais is to I go. Pen down please. Tu vas. Speak up, tu vas.
To.
Tu vas is to you go. Tu vas. VAS.
VAS.
Tu vas. Say Claire.
Claire.
Now speak after me. Ale is my verb to go. This is my full verb, right?
Yes.
Ale is my verb to go. the moment I want to conjugate my ale verb, we cannot use the formula of ESE. No.
हाँ.
So now speak after me. Jave is to I go.
Jave is to I go.
Tuva is to you go.
Tuva is to
VAS. Il L. Pen down please. Il L I L space ELLE. Il L va VAS. Here we have a V starting. Jave is to I. Now repeat after me. Jave is to I go. Tuva is to you go. Il elva is to he she goes. Now with nu and vu we have a same ending with ONS and EZ. Nu ईयर हटा दोगे
yes.
एंड में ONS लगा दोगे देखो नू ALLONS. Here we have a same ending. Like we have done parlo.
New or
ALL because if I will,
ONS.
yes, if I will eliminate ER, I left with ALL.
Yes.
So that is nu zalo.
हाँ.
Why zalo? Because my S is a
Starting.
consonant and the next word is starting from a vowel. We have to combine the sound. That is nu zalo is to we go. Say Claire.
Claire.
The next word is woo. VOUS. The next we have is woo. Say Claire.
Claire.
Woo zale. ALLEZ. Woo zale. ALLEZ.
ठीक है.
Say Claire. So in my ale is a verb. Ale is a verb to go. Say Claire.
Claire.
Speak after me. Jave is to I go.
Jave is to I go.
Tuva is to you go. Ilelva is to he she goes. Nu zalo is to we go. Vu zale is to you go. Il el von VONT. Different and V. It is just you have to. It is very important to understand my jav
Il L
von VONT.
VONT.
Yes, it is very important to understand now. Ale is a verb wherein you have to do practice. You have to pen down 10 times, 20 times.
Only आले या और भी है.
We have a lot of verbs.
Okay.
Right? Now speak after me. Jave.
Jave is to I go. Tuva is to
Very
you
good.
go.
हाँ.
Il elva is to he
she
she
goes.
go. New zalo
No,
is to we go.
Vu zale.
Zale is to Zale is to you go. And il elva.
Il el vont. VONT. It is just, yes. Il el vont is to they go.
अच्छा okay ठीक है.
Now repeat after
Il
me.
elvo is to
They go.
They.
Now you repeat after me. Jave is to I go. Tuva is to you go. Il elva is to he she goes. Nu zalo is to we go. Vu zale is to you go. Il elvo is to they go. Now repeat it please. Repeat it please. Silu.
Jave.
Jave.
Sorry. Jave is to I go.
हाँ.
Tuva is to you go.
Okay.
Il elva is to he she go. New zalo is to we go.
Vu zale is to you go. Il elvon is to they go. Say Claire. Now repeat after me. Jave is to I go. Tuva is to you go. Il elva is to he she goes. Nu zalo is to we go. Vu zale is to you go. Il elvon is to they go. Say Claire. Now can we speak? Okay, we have verb aimer.
Aimer.
So speak up. Gem. Tu m. Il lm. Nous aimons. Vous aimez. Il lm. Il aime. So the same we have ale verb, but ale is a different verb. So what we'll say? I go.
Jave.
You go.
Tuva.
He she goes.
Il elva.
Va. We go.
New zalo.
You go in terms of formal.
Vuzali.
They go. Il elvo. If I will say now, you have to make your own sense. You have to make you have to make the sentence in French language now. I go to the shop. I go
To the shop.
to the shop.
Jave.
I will explain to you. Very important to understand. I will explain to you. चलो पहले आप बताओ. I go to the shop.
Jave.
Hmm.
Jave
टू अभी नहीं बताया मैंने आपको.
ठीक है, मैं
मागाज़.
नहीं, मागस के मागाज.
Magasin. MAGASIN.
दे जा तुम्हारी स्कूल.
Magasin. MAGASIN. क्लियर हुआ? पक्का?
मागाज. जवे मागाज.
वेरी गुड. टू को हम क्या बोलते हैं बेसिकली? टू को हम फ्रेंच बोलते हैं आ. स्पीक अप. आ. टू को हम बोलते हैं आ.
अच्छा, टू को
टू क्या बोलते हैं? आ.
आ.
आ के ऊपर हम एक एक्सेंट लगाते हैं ए वाला.
ओके.
जो इंग्लिश में वाला ए वाला एक्सेंट होता है ना, एक्यू वाला.
एक बार फिर लिख के बताओगे?
हाँ, मैं बताता हूँ. टू को हम क्या बोलते हैं बेसिकली इन फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज? टू को हम बोलते हैं आ.
ओके.
एक्यू वाला, ऐसे एक्यू वाला है ना ये.
अच्छा, हाँ, ओके.
राइट.
बॉटम टू टॉप,
राइट हैंड साइड. आ. स्पीक अप. आ.
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 स्पीक अप. टू को हम क्या
आ.
बोलते हैं? आ. स्पीक अप. आ.
आ.
व्हाट टू से टू इन फ्रेंच? आ.
आ.
Speak up. Ah.
Ah.
That's a preposition basically. See, it is very important to understand. Show me. Give it to me.
जवे आ.
Okay. Now it is very important to understand. Basically, we have two. Two is basically that ah. Speak up. Ah.
आ.
Now you have to understand one thing. Now you have to understand one thing over here. For example, if I will say to the, if I will say
टू द.
to the, for example, if I will say to the,
ओके.
if I will say to the, दिख रहा है आपको? If I will say to
The.
to the, for example, if I will say to the,
ओके. टू द.
to the. As a rule, it is very important to understand. We have to the, right?
हाँ.
See, to is what? A.
हाँ.
To is what? A. And the can be male or female. The can be la and la.
ओके.
Say clear.
क्लास.
समझ आ रहा है आपको? See, for example, as I explained to you, two we called as a.
ठीक है.
Two we called as a.
आ.
Say clear.
क्लियर.
Two we called as a.
A.
If I will say to the, my the can be la, my the can be la, and my the can be lay. Say clear.
Yes. क्लियर.
Say clear.
क्लियर.
Pakka. Now, if I have a word if I have a verb by word plus la, plus male,
द प्लस.
plus la, क्योंकि चू द बना रहा हूं मैं, राइट? प्लस ले. से क्लियर. ये चीज समझ आ रही है आपको? प्लस ल चू द, प्लस ल चू द, एंड प्लस ले. से क्लियर. बिकॉज ये समझ आ रहा है आपको?
लास्ट वाले में आपने बॉटम टू टॉप ग्रेप को डाला.
सॉरी, इट्स माय मिस्टेक. से क्लियर.
क्लियर.
ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इसको आप समझो. प्लस ल. स्पीक अप. प्लस ल.
आ प्लस ल.
स्पीक अप. प्लस ल.
आ प्लस ल. आ प्लस ला.
So
आ
here
प्लस ले.
we have this sound. Okay, let me repeat this. Here we have ऐसे वाला आएगा. Clear?
अच्छा, ओके.
Okay. A plus ल. Speak up. A plus ल.
आ प्लस ल.
A plus la.
आ प्लस ला. ऐसे
Okay.
चलेगा.
And A plus le. Say clear?
क्लियर.
If I have to the. If I have
टू द.
to the.
ओके.
So to the can be a plus la, a plus la, a plus la, a plus la, and a plus le. Say clear?
क्लियर.
Pakka? Sure. Because I'm saying to the. To is my a, la is my the. My the can be a male or female. Say clear?
क्लियर.
My the can be a
मेल और फीमेल.
male or female. Say clear?
क्लियर.
So over here we have a plus la we have a plus la, and over here we have a plus le. C'est clair?
Clair.
C'est clair?
Clair.
Clair? Now, as a rule, you have to understand, my a plus le never exists in French. A plus le never exists in
French.
my a plus le is converted into au. Oh, it is very important to understand. A plus le never exists in French. Repeat after me. My a plus le never exists in French. A plus le, जहाँ पे भी a plus le इकट्ठा आ जाएगा, that is converted into o, au. C'est clair?
Clair.
C'est clair?
Clair.
My a plus la always exists in French. My a plus la is a la. A la. C'est clair? C'est clair?
Clair.
Sure?
ओके मतलब वही साइन लगना है उसके बाद
Yes. A plus la is a la.
ठीक है.
C'est clair?
Clair.
Now, my a plus le again never exists in French. Basically, a plus le never exists in French. A plus la is equal to a la. So, a plus le is equal to o. A plus le is equal to o. A plus la is equal to a la. And a plus le is equal to aux. O, plural. aux. O.
ओके.
C'est clair?
Clair.
श्योर थोड़ा टफ है समझना
कोई बात नहीं.
क्योंकि सी द मोमेंट यू विल डू प्रैक्टिस यू विल केम टू नो जैसे 2 इज माई आ एंड रिपीटिंग वन मोर टाइम बेसिकली 2 इज माई आ 2 इज माई आ क्लियर सो इफ आई विल से टू द आ प्लस ल द कैन बी अ मेल और फीमेल राइट टू द शॉप टू द बॉय दैट कैन बी मेल और फीमेल A plus la can be a female and a plus le can be a plural. Say clair?
Clair.
Clair?
AU और
So my a plus la is converted into o. My a plus la is converted into ala only. Clair? And my a plus le is equal to aux. So now repeat after
उसको
me.
बुलाते क्या है जैसे ऊपर उसको तो आला बुलाया और AU को O.
O and aux को भी o बोलेंगे
अच्छा,
because x is a consonant that will be silent at the
बस
end.
वो ज्यादा पे यूज होता है प्लूरल पे.
Yes. Say clair?
Clair.
So now repeat after me. 2 is my a. If my 2 is insert with a male article, the, la, my a plus la is converted into o. A plus la is ala only. And if I will say to the boys, so that is a plus le, बहुत सारे हैं, तो that is aux. Say clair?
Clair.
Sure. Sure.
बोलने में आएगा जैसे O आ जाएगा ना.
Yes. I'm repeating one more time. So basically we have a is equal to 2. We have a is equal to 2. If I will say to the, that is a plus la.
AU.
To the a plus la can be right. The can be la, and the can be le also.
Yes.
Clair?
Yes, clair.
A plus la is equal to converted into o because a plus la never exists in French. A plus la always exists in French. A la. And a plus le is never exists in French. That is aux. फीमेल के साथ हमारा सेम आएगा आला. मेल के साथ au बन जाएगा a प्लस ल. प्लूरल के साथ a प्लस ले इज इक्वल टू aux हो जाएगा. क्लियर?
Clair.
श्योर?
Yes.
पक्का? इफ आई विल से आई गो टू द शॉप, पेन डाउन प्लीज. इफ आई विल से I hope the session is not boring. I will not go for with the longer with the very longer duration. We will end up okay as soon as possible. Okay, now if I will say I go to the shop,
I
go to the shop. Above now,
Okay.
I go is what? Jave. Okay.
मेरे को जवे के spell.
Jave, J-E J, way, V-A-I-S way.
ठीक है.
Chu can be a. Chu क्या है हमारा? Chu the. Shop हमारा है मागाज़. Shop क्या है हमारा? मागाज़.
AU.
वेरी गुड। एयू क्यों आएगा? बिकॉज
शॉप इज मतलब वो हम कहते जाता है, शॉप एक मेल
मेल है तो आ प्लस ल होगा, दैट इज कन्वर्टेड टू
Yes.
एयू, तो जवे ओ मागाजा से क्लियर।
क्लियर।
क्लियर हुआ आपको?
यस।
ओके। अच्छा एक लिखो,
मागाजा की स्पेलिंग
MAGASIN मागाजा। एक नाउ आप, आई गो टू द होटल, आई गो टू द होटल, पेन डाउन प्लीज, आई गो टू द होटल।
होटल को क्या बोलते हैं?
होटल, HOTEL, होटल,
होटल।
होटल। अब एक चीज आपको ध्यान रखनी है, मैं आपको एक चीज समझाता हूँ, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये समझनी। गिव इट टू मी पेन। सी ओवर हियर, इफ आई एम सेइंग आई गो, जवे, I go is what? Jave. To the hotel. To is my a. The is my la. Hotel is my HOTEL. Hotel. Speak up. Hotel.
होटल।
H को मैं क्या करता हूँ? I count as a vowel in French. Hotel. I cannot count as a vowel in French. But H क्या है हमारा? Silent रहता है. H क्या रहता है मेरा? Silent रहता है हमेशा. I see if my word is starting from a H. That would be silent. तो मैं क्या बोलूँ? होटल।
होटल।
होटल, बिकॉज H would be silent. इस केस में बिकॉज मैं O का साउंड लेके आ रहा हूँ, होटल, तो इस केस में मेरा E हट के पोस्ट ऑफिस चला जाएगा, तो जवे आ लोतल।
पर हम वहाँ पे तो एयू लिखेंगे, अले तो लिखेंगे।
आप सही कह रहे हो, एक बात को समझो आप, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड। मैं बोल रहा हूँ टू द होटल, टू द होटल, मेरी बात को समझना बिल्कुल आप,
ठीक है।
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये चीज समझनी। चू मेरा क्या है? आ। चू मेरा क्या है? आ। दा मेरा क्या है? ल। अब आप बोलोगे कि आ प्लस ल इज इक्वल टू ओ होता है, यस, लेकिन अगर मेरा वोवल स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो ये वाला फॉर्मूला नहीं लगेगा।
अच्छा।
अगर मेरा
सोना थोड़ा स्पीड कम। चल।
अगर मेरा वोवल स्टार्ट हो रहा है, अगर मेरा वोवल स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो मेरा ये फॉर्मूला नहीं लगेगा। वहां पे क्या हो जाएगा? वोवल पे क्या होता है आपका? मैं ओतल बोल रहा हूँ, ओतल, ओतल, मेरा ओ का साउंड, वोवल का साउंड क्या है?
जिसमें मतलब शुरू ही वोवल से हो रहा है, वहां पे ये फॉर्मूला नहीं लगेगा।
एग्जैक्ट में। तो उस केस में मैं क्या करता हूँ कि मैं, अगर मेरे दो वोवल इकट्ठे आ रहे हैं तो एक वोवल हट के पोस्ट ऑफिस चला जाता है। अब एल क्या है मेरा? कॉन्सोनेंट है। ओ से बोलो ओतल तो लोतल हो जाएगा, लोतल, तो जवे आ लोतल। देखो दोबारा रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अंडरस्टैंड। सी, आई गो टू द होटल, आई गो टू द होटल, आई गो इज व्हाट? जवे। टू इज बेसिकली माई आ, क्लियर? द होटल, द होटल, my the is basically l otal lotal, speak up, lot o, because h is a silent. If you have any word in French language starting from h, that is always silent. We never pronounce h. Say clear?
Clear.
अब जब मेरा वोवल शुरू हो गया, क्योंकि मेरा साउंड क्या है? ओतल, वोवल का साउंड है ना ओ,
होटल।
तो उस केस में क्या होगा? मेरा ई हट के पोस्ट में चला जाएगा, बिकॉज ये वोवल है। वोवल जहां पे केस आ जाता है वहां पे एज इट इज ही रहेगा, आल होटल। से क्लियर?
क्लियर।
क्लियर। सो आई गो टू द होटल, जवे आल होटल। से क्लियर?
क्लियर।
पेन डाउन प्लीज। आई गो टू द रेस्टोरेंट, स्पीकर, आई गो टू द रेस्टोरेंट। रेस्टोरेंट को लिखते रेस्टोरेंट ही है। रेस्टोरेंट को विदाउट एज ए रेस्टोरेंट ओनली, रेस्टोरेंट को हम क्या लिखते हैं?
रेस्टोरेंट।
बट हम बोलते हैं रेस्टोरों। क्या? रेस्टोरों। वाई? यू साउंड इज ओ,
यस।
रेस्तो रो, एन साउंड इज ऑन, रेस्टोरों। से क्लियर?
क्लियर।
एंड टी वुड नॉट बी टी वुड बी साइलेंट।
साइलेंट।
तो जवे आ प्लस ल इज इक्वल टू ओ, जवे ओ रेस्टोरों,
जवे
ओ रेस्टोरों। से क्लियर? से क्लियर मादाम?
क्लियर।
श्योर
Year.
श्योर.
लिखने में वही स्पेलिंग.
लिखने में ही है. I go to the hotel, já vais à l'hôtel. I go to the shop, já vais au magasin. I go to restaurant, já vais au restaurant. C'est clair?
Claire.
C'est clair?
Claire.
Okay, so what we can do is, I don't want that session, you will feel bored in this session, right? So what I can do is we can terminate the session. Okay, I will share the recording. Okay, because you have a lot of recording over here. You have yesterday recording, you have today recording. Calculate all the recordings, practice hard so that you will come to know the entire concept. Because we have done article today, I will share some exercise of the article so that you will come to know. C'est clair?
Claire.
Okay, so by the time, au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.